Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said guys, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall market cap of the whole crypto space right now, guys, we're sitting at $1.9 trillion, up 0.8% in the last 24 hours. And BTC dominance, guys, continues to pull down. And we're currently sitting at 57.4%. Despite the fact that, Bitcoin is heading towards its all-time high, very close to its all-time high, but still, Bitcoin dominance continues to keep pulling down sharply, and I believe the altcoin season everyone's waiting for is literally around the corner. A lot of analysts are saying that as well. And I believe this altcoin season will be the biggest altcoin season ever seen before, but only time will tell. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than a Cardano. So let's look into Cardano. So if we're looking at Cardano's current price right now, currently trading at $1.19, down 2.1% in the last 24 hours in the USD comparative, and it's also down 2% in the BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Market cap is at $38 billion, and trading volume is at $3.3 billion. The volume is looking very nice, as you guys may know. Cardano is listed on all the major exchanges, including Coinbase, so liquidity is not a problem at all. Current rank is a top 5. It was at top 3, but Binance and Tether took over. But I believe in the next coming weeks, it will reclaim that position. I am very confident on that. And yeah, guys, we're down 19.7% from its all-time high. Very healthy in my opinion, and I believe the next leg up should start very soon. But today I want to share one amazing article that is very bullish for the Cardano community. So why not? Let's jump in. All right. So Okam Razor, the first DeFi launchpad for Cardano. So Okam.fi is designed to be the first all-in-one DeFi ecosystem built on Cardano, designed and developed by a leading team of experts and blockchain veterans. Okam.fi and its core components have been created to address several adoption-critical needs of the Cardano blockchain ecosystem. Okam.fi's journey into Cardano's DeFi landscape begins with Okam Razor, a decentralized launchpad designed to accelerate projects and startups building on Cardano. Okam Razor facilitates this through access to venture capital above and beyond that currently available through other funding routes, catalyzing Cardano's dormant pools of on-chain liquidity. So Cardano is currently one of the world's largest, blockchain ecosystem with a vast amount of untapped on-chain liquidity. Until mid 2020, Cardano token holders could not use their stake in the protocol for yield-generating purpose, providing limited use for the ADA as a store of value and limited utility. Now staking is available with over 16 billion ADA currently in circulation, while around 22.7 billion ADA are staked and locked in the protocol. There is therefore a huge opportunity to empower ADA holders to use their funds for the growth of the Cardano blockchain ecosystem while also generating significant on-chain yields. To address this, Okam Razor liquidity pools will enable ADA holders to generate significant returns on their capital while also creating a self-sustaining and powerful launchpad platform for serious projects building on Cardano. And also, Mark Berger, member of Okam Association, says among the first expected users of Okam Razor are successful early stage projects from Cardano's decentralized community-led funding initiative, Project Catalyst. These projects, validated by the community, are uniquely positioned to grow into a ready and awaiting Cardano ecosystem. Through Okam Razor, we provide the tools and access to venture capital required to accelerate their applications to new heights. To support the Okam.fi ecosystem, the OCC token will also be launched. OCC token also access to premier liquidity pools while also fueling continuous ecosystem diversification and future where OCC token stakers are continuously airdropped small quantities of token of the best projects closing their funds rounds of Okam Razor. Very, very, very interesting, guys. Very interesting. As you guys may know, a lot of developers are starting to build on Cardano because it's way more superior than Ethereum in a lot of ways. And this is the biggest Ethereum competitor out there, in my opinion. I've mentioned it for over a year, guys. Biggest competitor of Ethereum, and it is making big shockwaves around the crypto space, and a majority of the new developers are not looking at on to build on Ethereum anymore. They're looking at Cardano, Zilliqa, Polkadot. So that goes to show where Cardano is really heading and how much threat it has on Ethereum. And if we're looking at the price, guys, this is very interesting. A lot of people, guys, first of all, this is cryptocurrency, and a lot of people come here expecting to make gains overnight. Guys, this is not how it works, because if that happened, nothing is gonna go up straight in one line like this. Nothing is gonna go up in straight in one line, because if that happens, that is not sustainable at all. I keep saying it in all my videos. If that happens, it's gonna fall even faster down. There's always going to be these corrections, guys. There's always going to be pullbacks, and there's always going to be accumulation zone, which we're currently in right now. ADA is in accumulation zone for a while, and this is very healthy, where you accumulate, and then if you really do believe in the project's long term, uh you accumulate and just look at it from long term. You just stake it and look long term, and rewards will be people who are patient, they will be rewarded heavily, in my opinion. And as you guys know, Cardano, Gogan, double staking and all that good stuff, it's very bullish, in my opinion. A lot of people, all these institutional investors like that, and a lot of people that are invested in Cardano, they look at long term. They're not here for the short term price movement. They're here for the long term. They see it overtaking Ethereum. They see the potential, the real world use case it's solving. People see that. People see that. So they're in it for the long haul. So guys, there's no need to panic if you're in it for the long haul. If you have too much money invested into crypto, I always say, always invest where you can afford to lose. Do not throw your life savings into crypto, because that's not smart at all. But if you I personally am in it for the long haul, but that does not mean I do not take profits when I do see a new all-time highs. I believe once this accumulation zone does come to an end, guys, which I believe should be coming to an end very soon. As I mentioned, altcoin season is about to begin. BTC dominance is pulling down sharply. I believe Cardano is gonna smash past its all-time high again, and next target would be around $2. And that's where, once a new all-time happens, I take 15% of my position out and put it into a stable coin, because like I said, I'll say it again, there's always going to be these corrections where you accumulate, and make your holdings bigger, or you buy other altcoins, or simply use them for your personal use. So we're here to make money, so you always got to take profits. But I am in it for the long haul. I'm not thinking of Cardano for this bull cycle. I'm thinking long term, next 5 years, 10 years. I believe Cardano will revolutionize the crypto space, and I've been saying it for a while, and I'll say it again. But the $2 is a very realistic target for me. Once we break its all-time high, like I said, it should be coming up very soon, as altcoins are heating up for the next leg up, but only time will tell. And also, if we're looking at passive income, guess what's number one on number one staked asset? It is Cardano still. 27 Cardano is staked, guys, out of the circulation supply, which I believe right now is 32 billion circulation supply. Out of that, 27.2 is staked. 27.2 billion is staked. Guys, people are staking it. They're in it for the long haul. They're earning passive incomes, which makes their holdings bigger, and they're in it for the long haul. And this is exactly what we're seeing right now. And double staking, no one's complaining, and this just goes to show how bullish people really are, and how strong the Cardano community really is. And yeah, this is a perfect example here for us. And also, as you guys know, we are listed on Coinbase. the biggest exchange arguably in the world, because it is the biggest exchange, like arguably, not arguably, it is the biggest exchange in the world, because whenever someone comes new into crypto, it's a fiat gateway for people to coming into crypto. They always purchase through Coinbase. Majority of the time, I'm sorry, not always, majority of the time, people do tend to purchase their first crypto ever on Coinbase. And Cardano is listed on Coinbase, so this allows a lot of people to look into Cardano when they're purchasing their first crypto. They, instead of looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, they can start looking at Cardano. Hey guys, what is Cardano? And they look it up, and they maybe find it interesting, and they purchase that. So it really does open a lot of doors for ADA and the project itself. So very bullish in my opinion, and I believe this is just the absolute start for crypto and Cardano. And you guys know my stance. At the end of the day, I'm very bullish on Cardano, and I see it overtaking Ethereum, as I see Cardano being the biggest ETH competitor out there, and I believe it's way more superior than Ethereum, because ETH gas fees, guys, despite the fact that we might see you know uh ETH 2.0, I still cannot see ETH gas fees problem going away. I just cannot see it, but we will see over time will tell. But let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Where could you see ADA being traded at the end of April? At the end of April, leave your comments down below. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And my personal price prediction for ADA, if you guys have been following me on my channel, you guys know my personal price prediction for ADA is $3.85. If you want to know how I got that, go check out my price prediction video I made last year. I believe ADA could hit $3.85 at this bull run. But with that being said, if we were to see that parabolic type of magnitude of a bull run that we saw in the previous bull cycle of 2017-2018, guys, $3.85 is nothing for ADA, in my opinion. And a lot of analysts are now starting to say that this altcoin season will be the biggest altcoin season as ever seen before. So if that were to happen, guys, sky is the limit, in my opinion, and even $5 to $10 is absolutely reachable, again, if that type of bull run were to occur. But like I said, only time will tell. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And do not forget to like this video, because it helps out the channel a lot and keeps me pushing on making videos for you guys. And subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribers, and then 10,000 subscribers, and on and on and on. And yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.